So you want to know how to get a user's input in Python? In Python, there's built-in functions called input. The input function reads the input, aka what you type in, converts it into a string. So what you're going to need is a variable to store that information. So let's get right into it. Let's go back to Larry, a fish. One way to write it, because there are two ways that I know so far. Remember, we're learning. Let's see how rad Larry is. Yeah. So let's do a print. Then let's how rad is Larry. And then we can put Larry is no. Let's put radMeter equals now the input function. Now let's spit it out. So we can spit it back out with a print. So the question was, how rad is Larry? We're gonna put he is, and then we're gonna put he is, and then a plus sign, and then put rad meter, and let's put another plus sign, and then let's end it with he is blank rad. There we go. Fill the space in between. Yep. So let's run this. What do we get? How rad is Larry? Super rad? Yeah. He is super rad. Yeah, okay. So now the second way to write this, which is the way I like to write it because it's less code, would be like this. Let's say rad, let's go with the same thing, same variable, rad meter. And then what we're going to do here is put the input, and then we're gonna say how rad is Larry. And then let's make a print here and put Larry is, and then we're gonna make a plus sign. The plus sign is what we call concatenation. I hope I said that right. Let's put our variable right here, and then let's end it by saying rad. So we're doing the same exact thing that we did in the top. It's just more condensed. How rad is Larry? I'd say super. Then we're gonna put. Ooh, we didn't put a. We did put a. Huh. What did I put? I didn't even spell super right. Yeah. So I was looking at the wrong one. So we did not put a space. Let's rerun that and actually spell super right this time. Let's clear this out. How rad is Larry? Super. Whoa. Super. I was gonna say Larry is super rad. And that's how you get a user's input in Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please make please write comments. Bash all the wrong I did in here. It will actually help me. And please subscribe. That would also help me too. I am trying to make more of these videos every week. And yeah, you have a great day. Keep learning. Thank you.